know, and everything is telling you to use better judgment inside, but you still are just like, nah, I'm so contrary that I don't believe you're as bad as you think you are. And you just decide, screw it, I drove an hour, I'm gonna come out anyways, because I drove an hour. Yeah, this is the result of bad decision making. Okay, so I told myself I have to catch one before I leave, because I can't fish in this. It's just not feasible. And since I'm by myself, if and when I go overboard, well, it's not gonna end well, let's just say that. So I was hoping that it was gonna calm down, but of course they forecasted it entirely wrong. It was supposed to be calm this morning, increasing this evening, but it just, yeah, never seems to work out the way they forecasted anymore. That our one 15-incher. So we'll battle on. What the heck? What's the worst that can happen? Maybe the winds will settle down. Maybe they'll pick up. If they pick up, at least the boat launch is pretty much behind us. So at least we'll get blown into it. That feels like another 15-incher. Not even. Okay. 12-inch. Oh, jeez. I have got to get better with the release. Riding the waves. Where did you go? Getting a little bit bigger. You're so slimy. There's a, well, another 15-incher. perfect storm today. I forgot my charger for my batteries for my camera. And when I woke up, I of course checked my phone for the wind report. And it said 4 to 6 miles an hour. What they forgot to do was add a 1 in front of that. Going inland. So yeah, Texas rig, 3/8 ounce. Every single one of my rods is medium heavy and either fast or extra fast. Just because it serves almost every purpose that I usually do. Again, I mean, if you've watched enough of my videos, you've learned that I pretty much only do Texas rigged stuff just because of where I fish and what I fish. A lot of weeds, a lot of rocks, a lot of lost setups. So, yeah, expensive lures don't tend to last very long. As I say that, I'm hooking a rock, but bounced off, so that's good. With this kind of wind, I like casting into it, even though it's a pain because you don't get a very good cast. But I like to bring it back with the current because you can definitely feel a lot more coming back towards you. And it gives the bait a better chance to sink a little bit as it's coming back to you, as opposed to if you were casting with the wind and bringing it back to you. It's just basically going to glide higher in the water column. So I like to, again, get it down in the rocks and just bounce it off the rocks, because apparently the tungsten makes a little cracking noise when it hits the rocks, and that is supposed to kind of not mimic a crawdad, but it just supposed to help with the attraction a little bit. Does it? Who knows? Skinny guy, go eat a little bit more. Not the fake stuff, the real stuff. Still going broadside. They don't like my new crawdad. Now we're getting turned around the other way. It felt like a little tap. That is. Either a bigger one or he's hooked up in some rocks or weeds. But again, it's hard to tell when the wind's knocking you around. He has not surfaced yet. seriously, how does everybody else just have fish that are completely comatose when they bring them in? Mine just never, ever settle down. Ever. Okay, need to get straightened out here. Wow, they put up so much fight, you just never know what you have. Just another 15-incher. Totally white caps today, but it's white-ish. Might be the small one of the day. Wind is not stopped, and the little ones seem to be where I am, at least. Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out. There's somebody else out. Probably the Coast Guard. Somebody probably called me in. There's some yahoo out here trying to fish. There's his wake. Yeah, it wasn't a tsunami, but of course I have my biggest fish of the day when it gets here. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Sorry about the length of time there, buddy. These guys are all beat up. Okay, there you go. Wind is supposed to mean bigger fish. Appreciate your gusto. Fire and life for me. Nar. Come on, one more big fish and then I'll go home. Maybe. I mean, heck, I've already made it this long. Oh, there it is. Natural bouncing action. So 4 batteries, one of which is now done for, apparently. Wind that has not calmed down, so I am on my last battery, so I figure maybe I'll just fish until my last battery dies. And yeah, so I have to start you know, asking people for their addresses, because I'm gonna have to come and kick your asses, because you know, none of you are subscribing, and yeah, I can't give away a free reel at 500 subscribers if I don't get people subscribing. So just hit that little subscribe button, because it's the only way my production values and everything else will be able to go up. And then yeah, let's see it. Yeah, I do have it. Nope, I do have it with me. Okay, so here is the reel that will be given away. And again, all family members will be excluded from this. So it is a Lew's Team Lew's Elite T1 or titanium. It's a beautiful reel. I loved it, but again, I just wanted to give the left-handed reel a try, and I'll clean it up before I ship it out. It's just water stains, but yeah, it's a beautiful reel. But I just wanted to give again a left-handed reel a try, just because most of the power is in my right hand or right arm. But I just wanted to see, and yeah, didn't make for the easiest of castings. So, uh-oh, that's not good. Again, stay with me. You'll always see something new. Oh, geez. And now the motor's not in the water, so we're just getting completely yeah, see, these are again the things that if you don't subscribe, you won't get to laugh at every time. So help me out, get that subscription going. I'm not asking anybody for any money, never will, ever. I just want to see, again, I want to see people entertained, and I need help in finding out what you need or what you would like, whether it's techniques or, because again, I mean, you know, most of my videos have been all Texas rigged plastics, which again, they always seem to work for me where I go, so I very rarely tend to play with a lot of other things, but I've got all the other things. I just very rarely use them. I love topwater, but yeah, very rarely even get the opportunity to use topwater around here. So but yeah, I mean, knots, equipment. There was a tap. I can start talking about sports. I know a lot about sports. I'm from Cleveland area. I was kind of sandwiched between Cleveland and Akron, about half a distance between both of them. Moved out to Washington in 1999, so I've been out here for 26 years now. So I still follow all my Cleveland sports teams because that's what I grew up with and that's what I had a history with, and since they're all cursed, it's kind of something you just hold on to and hope that one day you'll find some kind of happiness, knowing all too well that you won't. Maybe that'll be my thing. Take somebody out fishing, get a subscription. And then if you don't subscribe while you're out on the boat, I push you off. But again, another 12-incher. Swim into the trolling motor. Yep. maybe 10 incher. Okay, last cast, and we're turning it around. And then we're gonna go and head in because my battery is probably about to die. I am hungry and tired. And the winds just are not gonna help me out today, I can tell. It's just not gonna be a good day for the winds. Deeper than I thought. Every single one of you guys. As always, 15 incher. Okay, we are turned around and heading back. Crawdad's about dead, battery's about dead, and I'm about dead. So, good timing. We caught some fish, we caught some waves. Until next time, it'll probably be, well, I don't know what the weather forecast is like, but I think probably Saturday and Sunday, maybe, but it is always to be determined. But again, I thank you for watching and taking the time out of your day to do so. I hope I'm entertaining enough, and again, I mean, I need your help. I need comments as to, if you are watching, what you need from me, because I'd definitely like to be informative. I'd like to help you out if I need to. I'd like to provide laughs if I can. So yeah, I want to make this thing special for you and for me, but I need help. So I appreciate it again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And if I catch any fish here on the last couple of minutes, well, we'll see. I'm gonna head into this inlet, and that's where I'm parked, so just gonna work until we get to this corner and then let the wind blow us in.